Hi, I'm Dr. Susan Little. I'm a feline veterinarian in Ottawa, Canada, and I am thrilled to be participating in the 2020 Hills Global Symposium. My talk is on feline urologists. It's called No More Stones, Top Tips for Feline Urologists. During the talk, I'll be discussing the most common bladder stones we see in cats, and we'll be focusing on the importance of radiography, both in diagnosing stones and in evaluating your response to treatment. And we'll be talking about the key role that therapeutic diets play in managing uroliths and in preventing recurrence. You can watch live during the live stream on April 20th and 21st, or you can watch later on demand. All you have to do is go to hillsglobalsymposium.com. You won't want to miss this event because there's some great speakers in canine and feline urologists and also wellness in the veterinary profession. So go to hillsglobalsymposium.com and register for free.